saw us, we went to the beach, and the reason why we went to the beach is because last week we were terribly sick. We were terribly ill. Terribly ill. And because we're water creatures, it looks like we're normal humans. We're not. You would be wrong. You'd be wrong. I'm like the girls from H2O. We're mer people, and we belong at the beach, and every time we go to the beach, we get cleared of our sickness. So lo and behold, are you sick anymore, fellas?
No. They're merman. We're mermaids. He did that on purpose.
He's still sick because nothing heals him. He's just...
Except ramen does.
Yeah, ramen helped him.
Well, we had ramen too, and he's not healed. He's weird. But we're not sick anymore. So now we feel much better to make videos for you guys. Why did I start talking like Guru? I don't know. But now we're going to open up a win that we got from DanesterTV. Hence the opening. Did you like that, Dane? Did you like that, Dane?
Did you notice? Did you notice?
Okay, let's open this.
Oh, I know what it is, but they don't know what it is.
I almost cut myself. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh, so we went to the beach and well, you saw the original hot dog on a stick, which is where we ate. I had what did you guys have? I had a cheese on a stick.
Took too long.
We got a burnt. Oh,
took too long. It's fine. Keep talking.
She had cheese on a stick. I had a hot dog. Did you have
stickers?
You guys know what that's from?
Congrats.
Comment down below if you know what that's from. Congratulations, 4-pack. Enjoy this Michael Jordan pop. DanesterTV, also known as Gilbert and Dane. Thank you very much, Gilbert and Dane. Look, it's on the... It has a little Captain America paper. That's kind of cool. So we'll have to put this up somewhere.
Right back.
Newspaper.
Thank you to DanesterTV.
Yeah. Newspaper.
You have to read the daily newspaper.
I don't watch basketball, but the boys do sometimes with our older cousin. We were looking for this one, but our Walmart isn't a very well-stocked Walmart with Walmart exclusive pops. So this is a really cool one. Thank you so much to Dane and Gilbert.
Yeah.
Because this is one that we were looking for.
Yeah.
Well, them. No.
Yeah.
I don't know that. I don't know basketball. Basketball not my team.
Okay. So I got a couple of pops over the time that we were gone. And they were both Star Wars ones. You know, you gotta get Star Wars when you're me. So first, I got the Night of Ren pop. That is the Walmart exclusive. Speaking of Walmart exclusives, it was lucky that my mom found this one in the morning. So thank you, Mother, very much for the awesome pop. It is cooler than other Night of Ren, usually. And then this one really made me happy when we found it at Little Tokyo yesterday, because we've been really looking for this one, and we got it for only $11 when it's $21 on the Pop Price Guide. And I really wanted this one because Count Dooku is cool.
He's also Willy Wonka's dad.
Yeah, he is. He's also the first Dracula, the guy that rung me up said.
What's the sticker?
So
The first what?
Dracula. Oh yeah, this is a Smuggler's Bounty pop. So.
Wow.
Who's in his set? The weird guy who breathes like the...
Like he's dying.
It's that guy?
Yeah, General Grievous.
With his...
Oh.
He does that, right? It's the woo woo.
What Star Wars movie is this?
The first one that we watched, right?
Is Count Dooku in the first one? But Qui-Gon Jinn, General Grievous, young Anakin Skywalker. I want Anakin.
Wait,
Where's Anakin?
I thought the bad guys in.
So, if any of you guys know where all of these pops came from, because they're not all in the same movie, can you tell us? I don't know where they're from, and if they're all in Smuggler's Bounty boxes. They're not all in the same movie, I know it. Give me a break. I just started collecting all the dark side. It's not fair.
Look at the baby.
It's just a
Good.
baby.
As you guys saw in our pop swap meet, I won a Baby Yoda mug, and it arrived.
The same person who makes the cup that we saw and my ears that you guys saw is the same person who made this. That's JanesEarfulCreations, so go check her out. Link for her Instagram and her store will be down below. Go check her out.
There you go. Ooh, glitter. Here,
Just put them in the pops order.
you made it. Okay.
It doesn't even look like a mug, it just looks like a ball. Oh wow, they wrapped this good.
Yeah, she wrapped this good. Oh,
Good
it's
job
not
at
cold.
wrapping.
Yay!
Congratulations. Oh, this is the one that they put the things in. That's so
Look
cute.
it. It's a little baby Yoda. It's a little baby Yoda.
It's the child. Michael from Pops with Purpose is gonna get mad at you.
Ooh. I see stickers. Sticker. Yay. Sticker. Okay, now we shall get to our shout out Sunday.
Today we're shouting out Louis V Toy Hunt.
He has been a very good person to us, and his videos are awesome. He does unboxings, mystery boxes,
He goes to
and
Comic-Cons.
he goes to Comic-Cons. So, it's pretty good. Good.
He's a good supporter. He has great videos, so go check him out. All of his stuff will be down below. We're going to link a video, and we are going to be doing a giveaway for him. We don't know, again, what we're giving away yet, but we will. Or it might just be another mystery one. It might be another mystery giveaway. Who knows? So, link will be down below. What should we have for them? Hashtag.
4-pack loves Louis.
4-pack loves Louis. Okay, so you guys need to go to his video. Make sure you subscribe, you hit the bell, and comment hashtag 4-pack loves Louis on this video that we link down below. Once you do that, you'll be entered into our giveaway when we do our next Shout Out Sunday. That's when this giveaway, I just hit myself in the face, this giveaway will be announced. So make sure you guys go do that if you want another pop and another great person to start watching for pops.
Yeah.
Just saying.
Yeah.
Okay, let's clean up and end the video.
Oh.
Up, up. No, you don't want to get up today? Okay, there you go. Okay, ready? Go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Thank you guys so much for watching 4-pack.
Plus one.
Plus Spalding.
Plus
Plus-
one little kid.
plus-
Good boy, Spalding.
Plus,
You're posting.
Plus the Danesters.
Up. Hello? In the video.
Oh, thank you guys so much for watching 4-pack. Make sure you guys like,
subscribe, and hit that bell. and
comment down below if you guys like this video. And
Follow
Follow
us.
us on Instagram at Follow Pack Funkos Food Fun.
Bye guys. Don't forget to Louis V.
Hashtag
Spalding is telling
Louis
you.
V. Toy and hashtag 4-pack loves Louis.
Spalding's telling you, you better. You better. Or
He's sniffing
he'll
you
sniff you out.
He's sniffing you
He'll
out.
sniff
right
you out.
Bye guys.
now. Bye guys.
Bye guys.